didn't own something, would you? Hello, these are my grandkids. Zara, hello.
Baby, I'm crying.
It's not the newest 2844 is, but it's not available today. And 1409 is our oldest bus that we're currently running in Newcastle. The bus there, 2387, was built in Comigo by Goldbridge, so it's a locally built body.
So this is our brand new, or the newest one to our fleet. You'll see one here and various ones back there. They are a Volvo chassis with an express coach body. And then next to it is the oldest bus in our fleet. This is the oldest. So this is a B12. So everything here is diesel except for the one down the end and the one out the front. You'll see it because we have four electric buses. The electric buses take about, on average, 8 hours to charge overnight. We don't do it during the day. And on average, we should be able to get 400 Ks out of one charge. So they'll more than easily go out for a day's work. So on our way back, if kids want to jump in and sit behind the wheel of a different bus, we can do that. And then we have this is our BCI. Then we have two of these BCIs that are in our fleet, the two long versions, and then our shorter version here is a BCI but a small one, and this model over here is used for our on-demand services in Belmont. Just think of a bubble. If you're within that bubble, you can call the on-demand service. You'll book it in, and then there'll be, let's just use, for example, 4 buses at each point. Whoever's closest or doesn't have a job, you call up and say, hey, I'm at Belmont, I want to go to Charlestown, I'll send a bus to you. But then, someone else on that route or on that path wants to get to Charlestown as well, so they'll off-route them, and it just books it by priority and proximity to get to a common point.
So it's like a taxi.
Basically, loosely, Uber. Yeah, full electric bus. And it is plugged in to charge. We have the main power unit there, then 2 more docking stations for overnight charging.
So here in the workshop we repair panels for the light rail, we do bits and pieces for the ferry as well. We repair minor accident damage. We actually prepared one for you yesterday. Ready to go. And it was not the bus driver's fault. Okay. Now for those that are interested in trams, and trams left in 1950, if you look down here, down the green walkway,
You'll see the last bits of tramway on the concrete. Where the buses park, there's also a tramway fit to concrete out. Not many remnants left, but there is bits and pieces.
Booked it up. AC decided to play up and also drop a sequence.
Every bastard's alive here.